Hello and welcome back to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are always doing very well. Today's recipe is eggplant prepared in a special way. I will make it with onion and bell pepper for a delicious result. If you are interested, follow along from start to finish to benefit. Here I have one eggplant and I am going to cut it. I cut it like this. If you want to peel it, feel free to do so. I remove just a little of the skin on this side. I cut the eggplant into small cubes. They should look like this. I continue the same way until everything is ready. I place the eggplant in a large bowl and add a small spoon of salt. I add all the eggplant cubes. I mix and let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes. I cut half an onion and half a red bell pepper. Now I drain the eggplant to remove excess water. I dry the eggplant well. You can use paper towels or a clean cloth. I heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I add the eggplant to the pan. I saute it for 5 to 6 minutes. After about 7 minutes, I check the cooking. I add the onion and the bell pepper. Red bell pepper is better for flavor. I saute again for about 8 minutes until everything is cooked. All the vegetables should be tender. I add a little black pepper. Salt is added according to taste. I mix well and let everything cook evenly. Once done, I turn off the heat. The onion and bell pepper are now fully cooked. I crack 2 eggs into a bowl. I whisk the eggs. I add 4 tablespoons of flour. The flour should not be too full. I mix and add salt and black pepper. I add about a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Seasoning is always adjusted to taste. I keep mixing until smooth. The texture should look like cake batter. Now I add the vegetables. I add the sautéed vegetables to the mixture. I mix everything very well. Now I am ready to start frying. I heat oil in a pan. I spoon the mixture into the pan. I fry them like this. I continue until the pan is full. Once cooked, I flip them to the other side. Try eggplant this way for a nice change. It asks good to vary recipes sometimes. Once cooked on both sides, I remove them. Use medium heat, not too low. I continue until everything is cooked. I prepared a quick sauce to avoid making the video too long. This is the final result of the eggplant with onion. It looks great and tastes delicious. 1 eggplant and half an onion give this quantity. For the sauce, I used 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. I added mayonnaise and a small spoon of hot sauce. This sauce pairs perfectly with the eggplant. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate notifications. See you in the next video.